Yousuf. Today we are going to continue explaining the where filtering your data using and with or operators. As you can see, previously we are selecting only with one condition, where job title equal to this, we're reporting to this, employee number to this. But if we want to combine multiple conditions, especially if it is you have to satisfy the both condition. Here this is the example. Select all from customers where country equal to USA and state equal to this one. But if we want to get also all customers from country USA and France, okay, let's see, we will get all okay, we don't have, this is not logical condition, because both of value cannot be in the same column. We have to search for another column, state and NVIDIA. That's not correct condition. Okay, we have only one customer from USA and the state NV. Okay, we can get the postal code. Where is postal code? This number. This is based on your requirement, what you are searching for. You have to understand what's your condition, logical condition. Now if I want all employees who are reporting to 1104 and only existed in office code 4, you can get them like this, and office code, because this 1102 are have multiple people outside office code 4. These two are outside, but if we are interested only in the office 4, we can get it like that. So select all employees, all data from employees table, where this is the filtering, reports to 1102, and okay, this is condition 1 and this is the condition 2. We have to specify the both of the conditions. The third condition, select all from payment table where amount is larger than 10,000 and amount less than 50,000. If we have a range in data, we can use the between operator, but remember you have to put the lower boundary here and the upper boundary here, don't flip it. Okay, so we can select all payments between 10,000 and 50,000. Now we're getting all details. But if you want only one of the two condition or three condition is true, you can use or operator instead of and. Here's the example. If I want to see all employees who are reporting to 1102 and also in the office code, maybe another team member is in office 4, I can do it this. Okay, 1102, the manager for these people, also existed in office 4. If we only put this one and office code, we will not get this person. This is Gerard. Okay, so we have to put it like that. If I want to get all payments larger than or less than 10,000, or payment date was made and this date, I can do this. Okay, you can select, you can filter for dates, for anything you want. So if I went to this one, 6/6/2003, this is 3264. This is larger than 10,000. It will not satisfy this condition, but will satisfy this condition. I can put another one, or ID bigger, customer number bigger than to 150, for example. Okay, so this amount is larger than 10,000. It will not satisfy this condition. and this condition it will not satisfy, but that it will satisfy this one. Okay, so this is how we do it. Okay, we can also do it like this. If I am searching for this person, okay, it has two records which are larger than 10,000. So you can do what you want with this condition. You can combine also both of condition, but this is tricky, and or operator, because you have to do like that. You have to use bracket. This one must be true, or this one must be true, or we can use this one. These one of them are true and this is true. You have to combine, but that based on your details, your data, and your understanding of the query itself. Thanks, we'll see you next.